Jeff? What are you doing? Hey, Jeff, chill, relax. Dude, you called me up, bro. What you want from me? Huh? You called me up over here. We got a mission. A mission for what? What are we doing? Huh? What are we gonna do, buddy? Are we gonna drink some MooseCraft stuff? A mission impossible. Ooh, a mission impossible. Not bad. Okay, so what are we doing exactly then, huh? Here, take some steak and MooseCraft to help you out with the mission. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, dark. Low-key. Let's go. Yeah! Ah! Back. Jeff, what's wrong? What's this do? Meteor. Should be interesting. Oh! Welcome to another day of the crazy Daycare! Yo, I'm so excited, man. Daycare is always super fun, man. It's a beautiful Sunday, and honestly, I kind of ask myself this every single day. Why am I going to daycare on a Sunday? Who knows, but it's that late that I go to school on a Sunday. All right, so let's see what my boy Jeff and the Moose is up to, man. As you guys already know, man, we always do some... Oh, that's not a good sound. Why is it raining? Hey! Hey, you up there! MooseCraft guys! Rain, go away! That's what all the MooseCraft say. Huh, doesn't work. Hey! Stop raining! Yeah! I feel like something bad's about to happen. I don't know, man. Whenever there's rain going on, something bad just has to happen, bro. Okay, whatever, man. All right. Hello, Jeff? Jeff? Buddy? Hello? Are you over here? Jeff, where the... Oh! Iron test tube! Jeff, what's going on, buddy? How are you in a test tube full of lava? Wouldn't you die? Jeff, what is this? I do no experiments. Only call principal if an emergency. Okay, and what's this computer over here? Some kind of programming. Oh, I see what's going on. Jeff, I come out now. Jeff, I only have a good idea. You're gonna burn the whole place down. I hope you realize. Jeff, what'd you do? Jeff. Oh, Jeff, you look a little bit small. Oh my God. Jeff, Jeff, you need it. What's wrong? Oh, we need a mirror. Hold on. Come over here. Jeff, what kind of experiment were you doing? Huh? What exactly were you doing, bro? Because, I think there's an experiment. I was meant to TP out of here. Jeff, you look pretty, small. Yeah, what'd you do? How did you mess it up? You're a baby! Baby Jeff! Hashtag baby Jeff! Yay! Jeff, what? How? Who? Huh? Jeff, you're one of us now. I'm just kidding. You're wearing a diaper, bro, and I'm taller than you. You're younger than me, bro. I can't be a baby. Trust me, man, we've all been there, bro. We've all been there with the diaper days, all right? Come on, man. Listen. We've all been there, all right? It's all right, Jeff. I understand that you're really conscious about yourself, and the whole daycare's on fire. Oh, nope. Okay, we're good. I'm too smart. What do you mean you're too smart to be a baby? What are you talking about, bro? Wait, what? What's wrong? Jeff, don't worry. You're going to be completely fine, dude. Listen, man, and now... We can't tell anyone about this. What do you mean? So, what's going to happen? Wait, Jeff, don't we need a teacher now? Since you're a baby, you can't teach, obviously, and you're not smart enough, obviously. If someone finds out, I'm going to be replaced. Jeff, it's going to be totally fine, bro. Let me call the principal. Okay, there we go. Down the phone. Hey, what's up, principal? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, so, Jeff turned himself into a baby, so he can't teach anymore. Yeah. Uh-huh. Hey, no! Yeah, we need a new teacher. Yeah, it's kind of messy. No, he's legit a baby. I'm not kidding. No, I'm not going crazy. No, he didn't quit. He's just a baby. Oh my God. Just send a new teacher. Don't. Jeff, I already called him. What do you want to do? They're talking to me. Hey, Jeff, you're gonna be fine, bro. Come on. You're not old enough for this, Jeff. Come on, Jeff. Look at you. You're a little kid, man. You need guidance, bro. You're a little baby, bro. Come on. Don't do this, Jeff. Drink your MooseCraft. Hey, it's good. Jeff, drink your MooseCraft. Oh! What? Who's that? Already that quick? Oh! Stranger! No. Oh, no. Sorry, get out of here. You're not welcome here. Bad stranger. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. I know what I just did. Big fist, I want some big fist. I'm your new teacher. Look at Jeff feeling like he's powerless against the teacher. Finally won, are we? Yeah, he's just a baby. He's pretty crazy. Yeah, he thinks really high of himself because he's got a crazy ego and such. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm the teacher. Get out. Jeff, you're the baby. You can't be the teacher. My name's Bob. Oh, okay, Bob. The teacher. Why do I feel like you look very, very familiar? And why are you wearing a building costume? Huh? Huh? What? Oh, my dummy alert. Jeff, that's not how you talk to the teacher, bro. He's gonna give you detention. I lost my last job, okay? It's okay, all right? Relax, man. I talk how I want. Jeff, it's gonna be fine. Listen, Bob, let me run down the details, man. This right here is baby Jeff. He thinks he's a genius, but he's really not. And I'm MooseCraft, yeah. You lose your job because you're bad. I have to put you in timeout. Oh, snap. Yep, and you're going to timeout, Jeff. How does it feel? Corner now. Oh, Jeff, and he's gone. And he's gone. He's a wild one. You can't really control him. Yeah, he's kind of annoying. What's that? Is that it? Well, I run this house. Jeff, you don't run anything. Come back here. Jeff, don't be a baby. Come on. Don't be a big baby. For today's lesson. What do you, wait, hold on. You don't even want me to explain myself? We're going to build it. You've never even seen this place. You're just going to walk in here thinking you're the teacher and whatever you're going to teach us stuff. No, I don't trust you. Yeah, that's right. We're going to build you a grave. Oh, wow, Jeff, that was a little bit dark, man. I mean, listen, dude, just because he's a teacher, bro. Relax, man. Always be nice to your teachers. You got to respect your people, dude. Come on. Respect your elderly, bro. You know what? What's up? What are you doing? Hey, are you building things? What are you building? Bro, this ain't building class. This is teaching. Bro, you're supposed to teach us things. Yes. What is that? What are you building here? Oh, huh? What? Oh, hey. I think our teacher is a little bit weird, bro. I don't like this man. Learn this. What are you doing? Jeff, come here. I need your help. I'm really confused what he's doing. You see this right now? Jeff! Here now! What is this? Inside! Jeff, I don't know about this, man. This looks dangerous. Up! Yep! Yeah, that is definitely not safe. 100% not safe. Hey, you ate it! No! No! Oh! I think he's really been mad. He's a little bit mad. Well, listen, Bob the teacher, the way we do daycare is we walk in, and Jeff usually teaches us a lot of things, man. He's a little bit crazy. Then Scour's here, Musina's here, we got Sly, we got Big Boost. And my name is a Big Boost. I'm gonna need the pencil from your shoot. I'm sorry. But he's a baby. I teach everything except spelling. He doesn't know how to spell at all. It's his one weakness. You can see by his derpy eyes. Yeah, but here's the point. You know what? It's always a good time. So, the way you're teaching is a little bit unorthodox, but listen, that's all up to you. Apparently, you did bad. Because now I'm here. Ha 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 ha. That was low-key evil. All right, so, well, let me tell you. My name's MooseCraft, by the way. I like a lot of MooseCraft. It's the big feast. With some ground. Yeah. I leave. Jeff, come back here. And Jeff, he's just very sassy. You know, he's very sassy. And our friend Skylar, she's absolutely crazy. And Musina, 10 times worse. And Big Boost, he's a super rich kid that has all the young Willy cash money out there and does whatever he wants. What is he doing? I don't quite understand. Oh! Yeah, he does these weird things that really make no sense to me at all. So, it's up. And he's putting... What are you doing? Are you boxing him up? Oh my. Ah! Jeff, you put yourself in lava. What'd you expect to happen? This man does not understand how this all works, does he now? Jeff, come on. You're gonna hurt yourself, buddy. There. What'd you do? Oh, you put him in a box. It's kind of a... I'm big now. I fix. I become teacher. Jeff, you don't... Oh no. Jeff, experiment gone wrong. Jeff, you have a very big head. Oh, God. His ego's more inflated now. Oh! What's wrong? I know. I'm smart. Oh, God. I messed up. Yeah, whatever you just did, you made him worse. Look at him. Come here. Look in the mirror. Look at this. Jeff, your reflection doesn't even fit in the mirror anymore. Have you seen what you've done, buddy? 10 out of 10. Oh, God. He's a big baby, isn't he now? Okay, whatever. All right, Jeff, listen, man. I don't like this teacher at all. What are you doing? Is he going again? Oh, and he's gone. No! Yeah. Okay. Ah! This is not good at all. I don't like where this is going. It's like I need you here. Oh, what's wrong with him now? Oh, Jeff? Knock, knock. I fixed. There's candy in here. I don't know about that. That seems pretty sketchy. I don't know. He's gonna trap you. He's gonna trap you in there. There's nothing there. For you. Better. You know, it's not a good way to get rid of him, but I guess your teachings are unorthodox. Whatever, man. Listen, every place has their own ways of doing things. I don't really care. All right, so, well, anyways, I guess you're going to be a savage. Oh, he's going full savage mode. Hashtag savage bomb. Oh, my God, he's just building walls. Oh, I hear a TNT. That does not sound good. Wow. That really... Hi, Jeff. Jeff, your head sounds very hollow, bro. I wonder what's wrong with you, man. You kind of sound like Lucy now. A little bit like Lucy. Okay, you know what? Bob the teacher, I think you're a great teacher and all, but you just ain't our type. You know what I'm saying? Like, what are you even doing? You're building things. We need a teacher that does crazy things with us. But I own you now. You don't own us. These papers say so. What? Hey, what? What's that? Huh? What the heck? See? Oh my God, you know what? These papers don't say anything anymore. What now? Oh no. Oh no, back up. Back up. Back up, big baby. Big baby. Oh, bunga, bunga. Oh, normal now. Oh God. Oh, bunga, bunga, bunga. Please. Oh, come here, Bob. Oh God, what just happened? Up, and Bob's being chased by a giant baby. Giant Jeff baby. That's his, that's what we do every single day. Okay, I'll see y'all tomorrow with a brand new video. I guess daycare is over now as Bob is being chased by a giant Jeff baby. But I'll see y'all tomorrow. Subscribe, like, and...